Hello and welcome to my brief introduction on the seismic ring fuse. Seismic ring fuse is a fuse that can be placed in the center of a cross brace to improve the seismic performance or earthquake performance of an existing building. This is addressing the problem that basically earthquakes can cause serious damage and loss of life. Existing buildings are one of the big vulnerabilities. In steel buildings, they can cause a sudden failure in the brace. Many kinds are possible. Uh, Often the brace fails at the connection, and one of the common kinds is the net section failure as shown here. Strengthening is often used to deal with this problem. One issue with strengthening, one of the big issues, is it can be difficult to access the parts, but more importantly, strengthening one location may just cause failure in another. There are many advanced techniques such as base isolation, friction dampers, but they are generally for new buildings, not existing buildings, and become very expensive to use. The seismic ring fuse is a fuse cut out of a plate of steel installed in the brace. The strength is designed so the fabrication is cheap. In an earthquake, this fuse can bend a lot, dissipating energy, improving the building's performance. Two shapes are available, the first one shown and this one for slightly different purposes, and they're scaled to meet needs. This addresses the problem. You have the existing building with brace building with issues. Single story buildings, what I've looked at most. You put this fuse into the brace system, and you allow the building to bend and dissipate more energy. Through dissipating more energy, we improve this earthquake performance and hopefully save lives. The fuse is developed through a fairly long process. 5 large sets of physical tests were undertaken, each with multiple subsets, and these were used to determine the real-life performance. Numerical modeling was used throughout the testing phases to further calibrate and validate multiple kinds of numerical models. And then this could be stepped up into numerically modeling full-size buildings and multiple kinds of buildings, and that could be used to say what the building performance was, and we could prove that the building, at the same ground motion, the building had a lower probability of failure, significantly lower in many cases. This system is significant because it's designed to help save lives. It's practical because it's an affordable solution for a common problem, and it's sustainable because it lets people keep buildings instead of demolishing. That's what the seismic ring fuse does, and thank you for listening to the presentation.